In this video, I'll show you how to change your Zoom display name before joining a meeting. If you've changed your name in a previous call and it now appears wrong or inappropriate, here's the quickest way to fix it. Open the Zoom app and join a demo meeting. You can change your display name from here before joining the meeting. If you want to change your name during a meeting, then at the bottom, click Participants. Find your name at the top of a list, click the three dots or More menu, and choose Rename. Enter the name you want to use and save the changes. You can change your profile picture as well. If you want to change your display name permanently in Zoom, then in the app, click the profile icon in the top right corner, go to Settings, select My Account, and choose Edit My Profile. This will open your Zoom profile page in a browser. On the profile page, click the Edit button. Here, you can change your first and last name, display name, and name pronunciation. Once you are done, click Save. Your profile name or display name is now updated, so the next time you're in a Zoom meeting, your updated name will appear to everyone in the meeting. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.